Linz is the third largest city in Austria. Although it's not a big tourist city, more Austrian and German visitors are in town. Linz is an industrial city with huge steel and chemical works on the Danube, about halfway between Salzburg and Vienna. While it does not have the touristic significance of these cities, it is an attractive and interesting destination in its own right. The city also has a very picturesque historical old town, including Austria's largest central square, surrounded by an impressive ensemble of Baroque architecture. Linz Old Town is pedestrianized, but for further away exploring, the buses and trams are efficient. Many locals like to get around on bikes, though making use of the generally flat terrain. When strolling through the heart of the city, one can literally sense its history. The lanes of the Old Town, which lies directly on the foot of the castle, communicate the feeling of past ages. Splendid town residences and chapter houses are worthy of closer scrutiny, as are the many inner courtyards hidden discreetly behind arched gates. Moreover, the spacious Baroque main square with its lively hustle and bustle is never far away. Linz is also a city of churches. With its 134-meter tower and space for 20,000 people, the new cathedral is Austria's largest church. The construction of the neo-Gothic cathedral was already initiated in 1855, and the foundation stone was laid in 1862. The building was designed by the Köln cathedral builder Vincent Statz. The cathedral was consecrated in 1924. The height of the tower was limited to 134 meters, as it was not permitted to surpass St. Stephen's Cathedral in Vienna. The cathedral can accommodate 20,000 worshippers, and it is also notable for its stained glass windows, including the famous Linz window with scenes from the history of Linz. At Christmas, the crypt church contains one of the largest nativity scenes, measuring 12 meters in length. This dynamic city offers a unique blend of historical heritage and contemporary culture. The center of Linz is quite small, so you can easily find your way around the city. Take your time to stroll through the charming alleyways. Eating in Linz depends on your budget and taste. You should be prepared to search far and wide for open restaurants on Sundays. The entire Altstadt seems to close down Sunday nights, leaving tourist restaurant choices only in adjoining districts. You can also go to the heights of the city to discover the Schloss Museum. This museum is housed in a castle built in the 15th century by Frederick III. The museum tells the story of Upper Austria and presents temporary exhibitions. Whether you visit the museum or not, you can enjoy a free visit to the terrace, which offers a magnificent view of Linz. Linz, Austria took me by surprise. Even if it is the third largest city in the country, not so many tourists decide to visit Linz, favoring more popular destinations such as Vienna and Salzburg. But there are plenty of great things to do in Linz too, and you definitely should give the city a chance during your next trip to Austria. And before I'm going to end this video, allow me to say that life is full of wonder. Even if we are in the point in life where we cannot appreciate things, it sometimes helps to remember that there are really things to enjoy when we are ready. So let us seize every moment as they come, with open hearts and arms outstretched to embrace the possibilities that lie before us. This is Jhongix Channel. Until my next travel, cheers!